Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that if you want to make somebody a WhatsApp group admin, how you're going to do it. Watch this video till the end and you will find out. So first, open your WhatsApp application and then you need to choose the group where you are an admin, because if you are not an admin, you cannot make another person admin. So I will choose this group. Once you choose the group, you need to tap on the name of the group and this menu will appear. When you scroll down, you will find the members, all the members of the group. So now if I want to make one of the member a group admin, so how I'm going to do it, just tap and hold on the name of that member and this window will pop up. And here, as you can see, the third option is make group admin. So if I tap on that one, now, as you can see, I am also a group admin and this particular member is also now a group admin. So guys, this is all it takes to make somebody a group admin in WhatsApp group. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.